Yo, what's up boys? DecadeCS here, back with another video on rain.gg. In today's video we're going to be doing the MartinGale strat. So yeah, if you want to use my code in the site, go to the top, click deposit, go to referrals, and type in DecadeCS, all caps. Apply for 7 days, helps me a lot to make videos like these. And also you guys, you'll be entered in my leaderboard. I have a website coming out soon for that. I'll put the leaderboard on screen for you guys so you can see. First place is 125, second 50, and third is 25. So get grinding, get wagering on my code, and also for the people who can't wager as much, I will have a raffle leaderboard on the website with a point shop so they can get some free coins. Alright guys, let's get into it. In today's video we're here with Sagi Vegas.
Hello.
And Darf, but he can't talk because he's on mute. He can't afford a microphone. Always start with Sagi 3v3 or 2v2.
Let's do some 2v2s.
I've been doing normal recently. I kind of like normal more.
So what's the strat? Every time you lose, you double?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
We'll do only new cases.
Alright. What's the starting battle? Like, how much you gonna start the battle with?
20.
Alright.
I think it's good start and balance. Alright. 2v2 normal. 20 coins. So if we lose this, we have to double to 40. If we lose 40, we have to double to 80. If we lose 80, we double to 160. So this is not lose, okay?
Alright.
I love the bait. Also guys, there's some new cases on Rain right now. They're actually really fucking cool. Go check them out. I've tried them already. They're really good. Also these cases are new, so check them out. There's a really nice case called Sting. It's like 9 coins. It's very nice. Yeah. This is not paying. And it's a draw. We win. Okay, that's terrible start, but
Double.
yep, we have to double it.
Wanna add that Sting piece maybe?
Yeah.
One time? Let's see if it's good or not.
Yeah. 40 coins. 2 normal. Oh, we got a intruder in here. So let's not lose this one. I don't want to double to 80. I don't want this video to end instantly. We get a double.
I think we double to 80.
Cooked. I think we're cooked already. Oh, this is the 50-50 one, damn. Oh, damn, that's a lot. 160 of a 4-gem case? That shit is nuts. I mean, we can
You come back right now?
but like, I just don't see it, you know?
No, you're coming back right now. Or
Let's
probably
see,
not.
let's see a nice gold in here. 30 or something? 28, okay. We need to see it hit on the 5% lower, and then we're up. Nice, good shit.
Oh shit. Good call.
Now, don't be the butt plugs. You want to see something more than butt plugs.
Okay,
Yeah,
how much?
160, right? 170.
Alright.
We're still losing, but not by much. How much is this? We're still losing. You need to see what hit on here. Okay, we lost. Right? Yep.
Yep.
That means you have to double,
You know what?
double to fucking 80.
If you lose this one, you gotta send it.
1410, okay.
Alright.
Okay. Oh, it's crazy mode. Fuck me.
Oh,
I just realized it's fucking crazy mode. Fuck. Okay, it's fine. It's 30, 30, 30.
Okay, okay. Good, good. It's just feeding. It's just feeding.
Yikes.
Yep.
Damn. Come on, please, pyramids. Oh, come on. Fuck, fuck, fuck. Come on, lower. Bottom side, pull something good. Top side, pull something bad. Shit.
Bottom side? Maybe? No.
I think we, like, if bottom side hits a clash or rain spin here, we win. No, we lose that.
If you play good.
Oh my god.
Well, it's time to send it.
That's all in. Stop.
There you go.
I have horse. You bitch.
Oh, come on.
Like, how's that worth it when it's only 45?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, please don't fuck me. Come on, please. We're not winning by much here. Okay.
Alright.
Now we got the same things. Fuck me.
Oh.
Fuck, 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 fuck. Come on, Smackdown, please, something good. Oh my god, same items.
Yeah.
50 each. Captain gloves, please. Oh, this is so close, bro. I think we're losing though right now. Yeah, we are. We're losing right now, bro. This could be the end.
No, have some hope.
Oh, bro, we're fucked. We're actually fucked. If it's a goal, we're so screwed. Yeah, we're fucked. We can't win this, bro. Like, if we pull here and we pull a crown foil, yeah, we win, but still don't see that happening, bro. No, we're done for, bro. Fuck me. Like, why did I even do this fucking MartinGale strat? Go down! Oh my, blue phosphor. Are you serious? What the fuck's that bottle saggy?
That should pay the wrong side.
I'm gonna hit a re-depot. Alright, we're back, guys. I hit another depot. We can't leave it this early, so we're gonna go back to 20 bottles again. Saggy.
Yep.
Back to 20 bottles. Bright lights, one-handed, precipitation, turbo. Bang, 24. Don't lose this one. Stop joining my battles, Lucas, mate. You're not gonna win.
With our luck today, maybe he is actually gonna.
No, not today, bro. Not today. I'm feeling it. Not feeling it.
Right, good
Not
stuff.
feeling it. Not feeling it, bro. Oh, it's crazy mode.
Yeah, I forgot.
I forgot. Ah, it's shit. No, 16. 21. If we hit, we lose. We won, I think. Yeah. Yay! First battle we won. No, we can't. Great. Show us a win again. Good start. 3 coins. Oh, it's crazy. Fuck.
I was gonna tell you, like, oh shit.
Stay.
Nice.
No,
Good stuff.
neon kimono, and I'll forget anything that happened, or a fucking fade. We take that 100
How much?
points.
Nice.
Nice one, boys. Nice one. I mean, we need to see something more here. Don't hit our
On
side.
the right side only, yeah.
Go down. I mean, it's 10. I mean, I'm kind of scared. I don't know what's in this. Oh shit, bro. Oh, we're fucking cooked. It has to be a purple. Oh, it's
How much?
200.
Oi, oi, oi.
Yeah, we actually lost this one.
Double?
Oh, I hate this strategy so. Make this smaller. I don't want to get fucking
Nice.
normal. Nice. Okay.
That's a great start.
Okay. I don't know. 80. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Okay. It's 30.
Fair enough. Take those.
Five each.
Nice. Yep.
Twister. So it's okay. It's okay. We don't care. Well, I don't. Control panel, please. No gold. Stay. Holy
Yeah,
fuck! How much is that? 250. I would have been cooked. Am I cooked? Okay, I'm chilling. Oh fuck! No, this last session. Say it. Make it all worse. Nice. W battle. 110 each. Let's go, Sagi.
Alright, not
Back
bad
to
at all.
the 40 battle again. It's okay. It's okay. Right side. Pull something massive, please. Okay, he pulls 50, I pulled 28.
We take those. Not bad.
We don't take that. We don't take that. I can lie, we don't take that. What's in this again? Oh, shit balls. Just be a fucking red. Go down.
Yep.
50. Yep. Warning, show them a hit. 8. 9. Switcheroo, show them a hit on the right side. Ah, fuck. Don't want to do another 80 bottle, bro. More animals, please. Fuck you, animals, man. Fuck you. Fuck. Come on, slaughterhouse, right side. Pull the fucking slaughter fucking karambit, and then I'll literally be jumping in joy. Head ass. What even is it to hit it? 5%. That's fair, to be honest.
Yeah. But nothing wants to hit, so awesome.
This make that bread case is like super like non-volatile. It's all stickers and stuff. Nice.
Oh,
It's guaranteed 80, I think, right? Like, or 50 or 80. You want to see the Mach 10? Nice. 80.
now we take that. Nice.
Don't fuck us, please. Nice.
Nice. That'll be good.
Be good. Come on. Be good. Be good. Come on. What is this? Okay, 200.
Right.
I
Solid.
think we're on. Fuck, we're
Not enough.
25 coins. Now we can go back to 20 again. I think this video's been going pretty good so far. I put on standard. I thought I put it on crazy mode. I said normal at the start as well. Fucking hell. Beefy shit. 50.
Fair enough.
Turbo, show us a hit. Come on. Stay, bitch. Good boy. Warning
Good
hit.
stuff.
I think the only way we win this is if we hit on cheesy.
Good luck hitting on cheesy, bro.
What do you say,
Oh wait,
bro?
what?
What do you say, little bro?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We can't. We have to hit not
Gold,
the
right?
not the rat rod. We lost.
Watch me, bro.
We lost, bro. Fuck you. Now we have to go back to 40. A nice 100 win, so the main side can go and sleep and cash out. You know. You know.
Yeah.
You know. Upside down. I don't know what's
Yeah.
in this. Oh, Vulcan. That's like worst item, like 40 or something. That's terrible, bro. What the hell? Stay away. Thank you. We need a hit though, bro. We need a hit here. We won. So we can go back down to 20 again. Kinda wanna run it back though, so and we fucking... If we win this, we don't have to double down. We lost this one, so we have to go back to 40.
If they hit on a monochrome, we win guaranteed, but they don't.
Where there's that.
No. Oh shit. Yeah. Yup.
Good fucking start, good start. Gold, gold, gold,
Nice.
come on. Show us the fade. Show us a gold. It's 180. I mean, if we win this, we're up. We're up really good shit.
Yup.
Okay. Hateful. Why are you hateful to me, hateful? We want to see no golds. Oh my god, are you fucking serious, bro? This means I don't have to fucking double down again. Yes, we're fucking cooked. We're fucking cooked, bro. They have to hit on the right side. Oh, Psyche, man, we're fucking doing a whole fucking 160 bottle again, bro. Does not work. We're cooked. Stay.
Nice.
I wish he would go down, you know? I would wish for it to go down. It doesn't go down. I don't care. It's not. If we hit in any of these cases, we're up huge. If we hit in the last case, we win. We need to win this. Bro, this is pain so bad. You can't afford to double down again. You can't afford to double down again, bro. Well,
Oh,
we didn't have enough to do the all-in and Martingale, so we're doing 78 coin all-in. We're winning, like, what? It's just...
Yep. That's still good. Being behind is best.
Come on. Come on, don't be dead. Oh my god, nice.
Oh my god.
Nice, nice, nice. Please something crazy. Come on, gold, 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 me please.
What's that?
How much?
400!
Holy shit!
600! Holy shit, guys! What a fucking ending!
Oh my god.
Fucks. 436! Holy shit, boys! Holy shit!
Damn.
625.
What a call.
That's
for
how we
the freeway
fucking do
crazy.
it. Sagi, you're a goat. That's how we call it. I'm gonna call it there.
Yeah.
We're on fucking. Let's see how much we're on. 625. Do that every fucking day. Come on, boys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end it there. What a fucking video. MartinGale strat. Martin, fuck you. We won, so yeah. Alright, guys, use my code on the top. Referrals. Type in DecadeCS. And apply for 7 days. Eventual leaderboard. And join my Discord down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. There's gonna be more of these videos. Just fucking wait. This has been the best video. The MartinGale strat. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.